How to turn on events, reminders, notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on events, reminders, notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and click events, and as you see here you can find reminders. Now all you need to do is just one click on it, and as you see reminders have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.